So I have another tutorial for you. It's going to be a back to school quick nail design on my nails. I have Sinful Colors. Holy crap, this is one of my all-time favorite brands. I used to get it at like Walgreens and Rite Aid, but I think you can only get it at Walmart. At least that's where I still get it. So this is black on black, just a black. And then I'm going to be using Salon Perfect's Pillow Talk and Clear Jelly Stamper number 2, just white. So my base is dried. And let's see, I am using just a beat up old sponge because no need to waste another one. So I'm taking this Pillow Talk and putting it in the middle. And if you're wondering why it's black, it's because I didn't let it dry all the way. And see, that's what happens. So this is kind of like a sheer white. And then obviously this one is like very opaque because it's a stamping. So I'm just mixing it. And then getting my nail and just kind of stamping it on, not stamping it, kind of dabbing it on, because if you haven't guessed, I'm doing chalkboard nails. So there's that. And then I'm going to close this before I spill it. And if you see these up here, I'm experimenting with something. Alright, and then I'm going to get the black, and again just a little tiny piece of a sponge, getting some black on it, and then going back to my nail that I just sponged with the white and going in again with the black to make it look like the blackboard got erased, but you can still see the white dust, if that makes sense. Alright, so next up, we are going to be using Maniology M058. It is the school plate that I used for something. What did I use? Oh yeah, the crayon design. That's funny. Okay, I still have this one, and I know school starts soon, but I mean you can use them anytime. So I really like these like scribble images of like little drawings and stuff, and this one down here, and of course like those marks and stuff. So I'm just going to be stamping with these. So I'm going to be using the Clear Jelly Stamper polish, the white one, and I have the stamper, scraper. You could probably use latex if you obviously would like to. So first off, I'm going to just go over here and grab these images and pick up and then stamp on. So there's the first one. And then I'm going to go in over here for these food ones because I love my food. I'm just scraping there, making sure I'm getting that hamburger. Alright, so there's the second one.
That's even if they're...
And then I am going to use this image over here, because it says coffee. And I don't like how it picked up, so I'm going to do it again. So this one picked up a lot better, so I'm going to place it right there. And if you heard my daughter talking, it was funny. I didn't know I pressed play. Press play. So, alright. Anyways, there's that one. And then for my pinky, I definitely want this little ghost over here and that stuff. So let's see if I can get those or not. Let's see. if I can find my stamper. My goodness. Alright, so I have the ghost. I think I used that one. Maybe, let's see. I did use that one, right? Okay, no, I didn't use that. Alright. I'm going to restamp so that alien looks a lot better. Hold on. Alright, so I got the ghost in that. Let's see. I wonder, let's see, did I get the eye? I did get the eye. I'm gonna take the eye off that pencil, the arrows, this one because it's half gone, and let's see. Okay, so the ghost can go there. And we can do stars and planet and lightning there. There we go. And then on the bottom, I think I'll just leave that. Alright, awesome. So I'm just going to add a matte top coat. This is Cuticula Cloud Cover, one of my favorites. I'm just floating it over so I don't smear the nail art. So now it's going to start drying to a matte color. Here's my thumb. I did that one a little bit more white in the middle. So as soon as it's dry, I will be right back. Alright, so for the most part it's dry, just so you can see the matte. Or you can leave it shiny. Alright, so that is all. I hope you enjoy. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.